Hi guys, Rocco the Panzer here. Today I'm going to unbox my new ADIDAS Yeezy 350 V2 Zebra. First of all, you can watch my other unboxing video from my Balenciaga Clima Silver Metal. So let's start to unbox these bad boys. We have this classic Yeezy 350 Boost box. As you can see, I bought it from adidas.com. I have already uploaded a video how to buy Yeezys from Adidas website, so check my video on my channel. And this is, so let's unbox it, these bad boys. Oh, very nice. Wow, very cool and nice color. As you know, Adidas released this Zebra Yeezys a year ago on 2017, but I bought them when they restocked them 1 month ago at November 2018. So I bought them from Adidas website. So let's see this beautiful Yeezy Zebra shoes. The difference between this and the previous Zebra 2 on 2017 is that this sole is more white, but on the new, the restock is whiter and is yellow, more yellow on the previous one. This is most white, as you can see. Classic Yeezy with the Ultra Boost sole inside. So let's check it out. As you can see, they take the name from the Zebra because they're doing like these stripes and here and here. Pretty nice shoes. This is my first Yeezy shoes. As you can see, we have this over here, like all classic Zebra, and of course the SPLY 350. Nobody knows what this means. SPLY, I don't know what they mean with this, when can I design them. Classic Boost. Of course, I'm going to wear it so you can see how they match on foot. Pretty nice shoes. Let's see the insole here of the Adidas Yeezy. As you can see, here it is. Very nice and beautiful shoes. So I'm going to wear them. Please check my other videos and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.